So, what is up, guys? Another day within the crypto market, and today is looking more so of a choppy day today. Bitcoin's still doing very, very great. Nonetheless, we're still not in what I would consider to be an alt season, nor will we be for a short time. And the reasoning behind that is because money is still flowing into Bitcoin, and I predict this to continue to happen for at least another couple of weeks to a couple of months at the max. I think Bitcoin still has a lot more to go. And just considering the sizable amounts of money flowing into Bitcoin, you have to be bullish on the outlook of crypto as a whole for the future. This is going to be huge in our lives, upcoming, in potentially in our everyday lives, using cryptocurrency every day. This could happen, and I believe it will. Now, with that in mind, we are currently waiting for this alt season to happen. I know a lot of you are eager to make a lot of money, as well as me. So right now, it's more of a patience, more time to load up your bags, because I do believe we're going to be kind of choppy for a while. The charts look the same way as well. You can kind of see we've been up and down occasionally or pretty frequently. And that's because, again, we're not in that alt season that we're expecting yet. Now, once that happens, it's going to come very quickly, and you're going to have to be ready in order to position yourself in a really good position to be able to sell, cash out, and take profits, because it's coming up sooner than you think. We waited a very long time for this moment, and it is happening. It's playing out. You just got to keep your composure and hold on. And I believe every coin that we've talked about on this channel is still going to do great, besides or earlier coins I talked about, like the Emerald Company. Not too confident in that one, Landify. But of course, this channel's direction, as well as my own investment decisions, have focused more towards the base narrative, where we've bought Aerodrome Finance, we've bought Moonwell, we've bought Talent Protocol, and finally, we have bought Alien Base. All coins I think are going to do phenomenal this bull run. Again, though that I have high hopes for these, that doesn't mean that each of these is going to hit. I think Aerodrome's at 100% going to hit, which sounds crazy, but I have 100% conviction in Aerodrome doing very well. I have like 90% conviction in Moonwell doing well, just because of who's backing this coin, who's investing in this coin. Coinbase Ventures, athletes, like people with a lot of money and a lot of access to, or high access to very quality information and data. These people are investing in Moonwell, and I think will do very well as well. And then again, Talent Protocol, invested in by Coinbase Ventures. Minimum market cap that Coinbase Ventures altcoins have hit is 300 million. And if you say that for Talent, that means Talent's going to means Talent's going to 30x at the minimum, guys. Just off of that fact, that's not a guaranteed statement though. But do know that that is a possibility. And I want to reiterate the importance of understanding how big this bull run is going to actually be, because of what it's already done. Again, I always like to bring up the point that we've went from Bitcoin being at 55, 60 grand to now at around 90,000. And I don't think people understand the amount of capital that has to flow into the markets for that jump to happen. That literally is hundreds of billions of dollars, which the 2021 cycle saw hundreds of $billions as well, where I think we went from a low of $20,000 to around $65,000. Well, from 60 to 90, that's almost the exact amount needed to go from 20 to 60,000. And if we project it to go to $150,000 per Bitcoin, that means this bull run's going to be double, even triple the amount of money flowing into the markets just off of Bitcoin alone. And then if you consider what happens in alt season when money flows from Bitcoin to Ethereum to alts, in that theory, we're going to have so much more money flowing in that's going to go to these altcoins, meaning a lot of altcoins are going to get a chance to have great runs, and they are going to be very big runs if they do have good runs. So keep this in mind. That, of course, doesn't mean that's true. It's just simply just data. We can see, it's kind of hard to predict long-term what's going to happen. You can, of course, use technical analysis to see short-term, day by day, what the charts are going to be doing to predict kind of that. But this channel, we're more focusing on the long-term perspective of what we predict crypto as a whole is going to do, which then leads us into our predictions for our altcoins. And I kind of did just update my predictions for the 4 base coins that I am in. Yesterday I did a video on that. Again, I use factors for my predictions, such as the overall market sentiment and other things to predict a cycle top, and using TA to really kind of look for that cycle top. At least what I've understood is that's pretty hard to do, and it's kind of just guessing at that point. So that's ultimately what I'm doing. I'm not using technical analysis. If I was giving you short-term price predictions, I would be using technical analysis, and it's something that I am learning. Just wanted to address that. But overall, I think long-term we're still on for a great run. And today, just for the fun of this video, again, I'll do like a short, brief update, which I think I already did, but we'll just say it back again in a quick summary. So markets right now are just kind of choppy. Expect for this to not be the case in a couple of weeks to a couple of months. I honestly don't know how long this will last, but money keeps flowing into Bitcoin. Alts are still going to kind of stay choppy. That's kind of how it's going to be. But the more money flown into Bitcoin is the bigger the potential for your alts to increase by a very large amount. So that's kind of an update for the day. Just choppy. Add to your bags if you want. DCA. I think DCA would be a great idea right now if you want to stay safe but still want to have a hand at the market. Definitely DCA. But then some honorable mentions for crypto coins that I'm not in, or cryptocurrencies that I'm not currently in on the base chain, are going to be Ski Mask Dog. Definitely check this meme coin out. This meme coin is going to skyrocket. I believe so. I'm not into meme coins myself, but if I was, I would be in Ski Mask Dog. And I would also be in Brett. Those are the 2 meme coins I would be in on base. Brian Jung has talked about Ski Mask Dog, and I also second that. This could be one of the biggest meme coin projects on base, still very undervalued right now. Definitely check that out. I would like to go on record for bringing this up as well, because I feel like this coin's going to do very well. Again, like to preface, I'm not myself in it. I just don't invest in meme coins. It's kind of a rule I place on myself, and I know how much earning potential those have. You can call me dumb, whatever. I just stick with the technicals because it's something I can understand, because they actually add value. And so, in not saying that meme coins don't, because some do. But with all that being said, just a quick recap of what's going on with the markets. Still, what our long-term outlook looks like. And then just a shout out to Ski Mask Stock for you to put on your radar. If you guys want to see more out of me, I, again, will just consistently be posting every single day throughout this crypto journey. And then once the cycle ends, we'll still be talking about investing. We'll still be going over day-to-day things. Maybe not so much in the crypto market, which we probably will, just do crypto updates. I swear, I will be saying when I sell. That will be updated whenever that video releases. It will just be a day where I'll say, hey, I'm selling, or hey, I sold. And then I will kind of just preface that out. I'm not going to just fake out, that I'm just going to go ghost when I sell. That's not what's going to happen. I will definitely say when I sell, which could be a good or bad thing. I can completely mistime the market. I don't believe I will, but anything could happen, and I'll be honest and transparent about it. There's a little quick rant there for you guys, but that is it for me. I'll see you guys in the next video.